Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will tell you how the crude price can move in the next 2 days. At this chart we have seen that crude price is continuously making a new highs. Okay, this is the pattern it is forming, and if you look at this pattern, what we can see here is that it is continuously in upside. Okay, so what you have to understand here is that this is a strong resistance at this level as of now. Okay, sorry, 68.96 as of now. Suppose if this level is break downside, then we can see that it can touch a level of 28.36, and from there it can touch a level of 28.18. But till the time it didn't cross a level of 68.91, we are on the bullish side. Okay, or if it crosses this level, then we'll be looking for a target of 68.36, and from there it can touch a level of 68.18. okay, once 68.18 is touched, then we see a level of 67.92, and from there we can see a level of 67.74. once 67.74 is touched, then we can see a level of 67.45. okay, once 67.45 is touched, then we can see a level of 67. okay, once 67 is touched, then we can see a level of 66.72. okay, suppose if the price of silver moves above 69.43, then we can be looking for a target of 69.56 to a level of 69.77. once 69.77 is touched, then we can see a level of 69.98. okay, once 69.98 is touched, then we can see that there can be a bounce back from there. okay, if there can be a bounce back from there, then there is high chances that it can bounce back. If it touch this level 69.98, that is 70, around 70, it can bounce back from there. Or if this level is touched, then it can make a new high, okay, which will be around 70 point, okay, which can be around 70.54. okay, so we'll be looking for a target of 70.54. once if it crosses a level of 70 point, okay, so this is what we are looking for. if it crosses a level of 70.35, then we'll be looking for a target of 70.5. okay, so as of now we can see here is that once this level is touched, okay, see, now we can see that this is particular range moving. So if you have any doubt regarding crude position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or the mail ID I've given in the description, and please watch the full video, then you will understand how it is working. okay, and if you wish to join my Telegram channel, you can join. I've given a link in the description. That this level is already crossed 69.34. so once 69.35 side, then we can see a level of 69.36. once 69.36 is crossed, then we can see a level of 69.37, and from there we can see a level of 69.41, and from there we can see a level of 69.45, and then it can touch a level of 69.52. see, if we look at a 1 year thing, that where it can reach high, it's already on the high level. so if it crosses a level of 69.65, then we can see that it can touch a level of 70 also again. and if we see a 5 years chart, then because we can see this is the time where it has now started moving an upside. okay, and this it was in 2019. okay, this level has come. okay, now it has crossed after 2 years as on this level. so if it crosses a level of 69.72, then we can see a level of 70.35, and from there we can see a level of 70.41, and when 70.41 is touched, then we can see a level of 71.7, and from there we can see a level of 72.19, and from there we can see a level of 72.88. okay, once 72.88 is touched, then we can see a level of 73.87. Okay, now suppose if the price fall below a level of 68.10, then we can see a level of 67.18. okay, once 67.18 touch, then we can see a level of 66.29, and from there we can see a level of 60.39 also. This is the 5 years chart I am showing you. So these positions are for long one. If I show you 1 day chart, till the time, see, look at this chart, we have seen a further rise in the at this level. So this breakout happened, and now the position is an upside. If it crosses on 69.35, then there is chances that we can see a level of 69.42, and from there we can see a level of 69.47, and from there we can see a level of 69.53. Once 69.53 starts, then we can see a level of 69.56. okay, and I have already told you that this gap will be filled, because if there is any gap, there is a probability that it can come back again and to fill this gap, because this is the chances where the gap is filled. Okay, so now once this level is touched, 69.61, then we can see a level of 69.66, and once 69.6 touched, then we can see a level of this high. Okay, once this high is touched, then we can see there can be probability that it can bounce back from there, or it can come down. Okay, so now till the time it didn't go below a level of 69.25, if it goes below a level of 69.25, then it can touch a level of 69.15, and from there it can touch a level of 69, and once 69 is touched, then there is probability it can touch a level of 68.99 also. Okay, so look at the 5 days chart. Okay, till if it goes below 68.95, then it can touch a level of 68.78. From there it can touch a level of 68.33, and once 68.3 is touched, then we can see a level of 67.90. but as of now we can see the trend is an upside till the time it didn't cross a level of 68.91. Once 68.91 is touched, then we can see a level of 68.28, and from there we can see a level of 67.43, and to a level of 66.35. okay, so once this range is break upside or downside, we can see further movement in the price of crude. Okay, so if you have any doubt regarding